Have you ever wondered what factors go into replacing the siding of your home? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about the one factor that is probably the biggest one that causes most people to need a siding replacement done on their home, and that's water damage. Hey, I'm Chris. Welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Water damage is one of the biggest causes for most home renovation projects, but what does it look like when it pertains to your siding? Well, I was lucky enough to head on out to a job site with Steve from Southwest Exteriors, and he was able to show me what water damage looked like on the exterior of the existing siding, as well as underneath and what it could be doing to your home. So let's send it on over to Steve at the job site.
All right, this is Steve McNary with Southwest Exteriors. We're out here at one of our job sites today. I've got Carlos, one of our project managers, out here. We're replacing the siding on this house. People don't usually do that for fun. There's usually a need behind it. So Carlos, why are we out here working on this house?
Well, the majority of the problem was a lot of rotted wood, rotted siding, and the customers wanted to reach out and get that fixed. It was like a major eyesore on the side and the rear of the house, especially when they have cookouts and family gatherings, and they reached out to us and we're going to take care of them.
So what caused the rotting?
The water, major water damage.
Water penetration and water damage, okay.
Like constant beating on it, and it's just deteriorating, and we're going to take care of them with some hardy product.
Good, so we'll look at that in a little while, where the water penetration was happening and the damage as a result of that, because it eventually works its way inside your home as well and can cause damage to your sheetrock. You can have mold growing in your walls, things like that. So water penetration is a serious issue that we love to help solve for homeowners and put some nice new siding on their home.
Exactly.
All right, let's go check it out. All right, so we're on the side of the house over here, and that doesn't look good. The old siding's been torn off. That's the original sheeting that was on the house. So that was obviously going on behind the old siding. What's happening here, Carlos?
As you can tell, the first layer of old siding's been taken off, and the majority of the rotted exterior was about this area, and you can see stains in the second layer, how the water penetrated and it started to affect the backside. And once the water gets to the back, it's almost like you don't know how far that the rabbit hole goes and the damage it can take on your house.
Good, so it's good we got out here when we did to make sure we stopped it where we did so it doesn't go all the way into the interior.
100%.
All right, we're around the back side of the house, which has some of the worst water damage on the house. You can see up there, I bet, Carlos, you've probably been up there. I bet you can put your finger right through that siding, can't you?
And it'll just go right through it. As you can see how the siding is almost touching the roof, which is not supposed to. It's pretty much acting like a sponge. So you're just not soaking in all the water that's hitting the siding. You're soaking in all the water that's coming down the roof and what's bouncing off the roof when it rains.
Yeah, so a roof line like this, you're getting water, especially with no gutters, coming off the top roof, off the second story, landing here, splashing up onto the siding, coming down this way, and it looks like that's a board that's been replaced in the past already, hasn't it, Carlos?
Exactly. It's a totally different style of siding.
So somewhere along the line, somebody tried to fix that, but we're gonna make sure it gets done right, tear all this off, put the new sheeting on the house, and then the water vapor barrier in the new siding, and button it up for them. All right, Carlos, so once they get all the siding put on the house, tear off all the old stuff, put the new siding on, what's the next step after that?
The next step is the painters will get here, and the painters will seal it, caulk it, wash it, they pressure wash it, so like that all the micro dust that's cut from when they cut the siding comes off, so like that the paint could adhere better and grab to the siding better and give you a better look.
All right, and it becomes the look you love coming home to.
Always.
All right, we're gonna be back out here when we hit the paint. See y'all later.
Hey, thanks, Steve. It's a lot of great information, and I can't wait to see the finished project. If you want more information on siding replacement, make sure you check out the links in the description below to an article about why you may need to have your siding replaced now. There's more reasons than just water damage, so it's a good read. Go make sure you check it out. I want to thank you for dropping by the Home Solutions channel, where we just want you to have the look you love coming home to. If you want more home solutions, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. You can also leave a comment below if you have any other questions. We'd love to hear from you.